Catherine Keller, Digital Literacy. Digital literacy is the ability to comprehend and evaluate information that is presented through any source of technology. The ability to analyze and communicate information while maintaining privacy and demonstrating digital citizenship is an art that is learned. Why is it important? Today's students are inundated with massive amounts of information through multiple sources of technology. It is important to teach students how to evaluate websites for research purposes. It is important to teach students how to maintain digital citizenship while discovering valuable resources. School curriculum. Needles Unified District Digital Curriculum. All students are required to sign documentation stating how they will honor the school's digital citizenship policies. This is located in the handbook amongst many other forms they are required to sign at the beginning of the year. Students are reminded of policies and procedures as they are using computers. There is no formal curriculum. Current implementation practice that is being held in Ms. Keller's junior high special education class includes making an introduction to digital literacy, teaching students how to modify searches, and making sure that sources are relevant to topics being researched. I have provided a link below that you can click on in order to see what examples students are viewing. Is this process working? Though intentions are good and school policies are being met, the message of digital literacy is not ringing true with students. Most students, when asked about the digital policies, stated they had forgotten they had signed it. Improvements need to be made. Improvements. For entry-level middle school students, a designated class at the beginning of the year could prove to be beneficial. Through this class, students could learn how to navigate through the computer. Students would also be taught specific steps on how to become a digital citizen. In conjunction with teaching digital citizenship, digital literacy skills could be taught as well. At the end of the course, students would be required to provide a presentation regarding both digital citizenship skills as well as literacy skills. How to improve upon my current practice? Personalize by attempting to make content more relevant and using examples students can relate to. Encourage skepticism by encouraging students to be leery of content they read. And collaboration. Require students to research information together in order to give each other different viewpoints of information. Making my implementation process more easy and relatable by providing an introduction, providing examples, and having students collaborate. Keeping the process simple. Personalize, strategize, and collaborate. By implementing changes and making information more relatable, students will be excited to become more proficient in digital literacy.